How is it, Padre?
A little bland. Push that on over here, girl. All right, y'all. So, haven't really had time to give y'all a real good formal introduction for what's going on, but we are on winter break 2023, first of many vacations this year, and this has been nothing less than a whirlwind of disaster.
Y'all, we got here 3 hours early, even 5 hours late.
And this is our third time
Trying to board the plane.
boarding the same plane. That's right. When we get to our destination, I'll get y'all caught up, but we're going to get on this plane now, and hopefully they don't kick us off again, people.
I just want a nap. I just want a nap.
Morning, y'all, from the great city of Chicago, Illinois. Yesterday was just shy of brutal, people. If it could go wrong, it went wrong, but guess what? We endured, we persevered.
Can I say something real quick?
Brutal was an understatement.
Continue.
So, we finally made it into Chicago. We were supposed to get here about 8 o'clock yesterday evening. And I want to say we landed about
3 in the morning.
And then we had to sit out on the runway for about an hour because they had no gates for us, people. We were the last plane to leave Atlanta. And when we got here, I think we saw one plane take off. So yeah, it was a late night. But guess what? We in Chicago and we starting off fresh. All the way. Loaded Chicago dog. All this jungle here I don't want. So I'm gonna eat the hot dog off the end and let her have the rest. How much cash you got? Every 6 minutes. Yeah, it should be pulling in.
You and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision.
Y'all, this subway smell worse than New York, y'all. I'm talking straight. Woo! And we just missed our train, people.
The train just pulled in.
Let's go.
Lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in
We be rolling on the L train in Chicago, baby. We subway aficionados. We know what we doing.
I had to ask for the record to totally got this train.
Look your face.
got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. feel it. You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. It's electric, you spark on this chemical reaction. It's electric, your aura strikes like lightning. It's electric, no, I ain't got a chance. I got no words. Me and you and your heart next to mine.
So, my father isn't carrying the table, but our food has arrived.
My salmon plate with a bagel. And egg omelet.
An arrow to the heart. I never kissed a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Ooh yeah, I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Ooh yeah, I want it all. Got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like my soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. And we'll say, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. Into the car, on the backseat in the moonlit dark. Wrap me up between your legs and arms. Ooh, I can get enough. You know you could tear me apart. Put me back together and take my heart. I never thought that I could love this hard. Ooh, I can get enough. Ooh, you got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like my soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. And we'll say, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. Baby, you burn so hot, you make me shiver with the fire. You got this thing that started, I don't want it to stop. You know you make me shiver. Baby, you burn so hot, you make me shiver with the fire. You got this thing that started, I don't want it to stop. You know you make me shiver. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. Gonna say, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're closer, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. Yeah.
Those about even. They're about even. Those two, they both taste even. I don't like one over the other.
I'll go yellowtail on the other from that one right now.
You like the yellowtail? Well, I'll finish eating this one. All right. Y'all coming in? Y'all coming to the Willis Tower to go to the sky deck? Come see, this is the only sushi chef. Don't go to him. He don't know what he's doing. Stick with this guy right here.
Catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes. Even if we're strangers till we die.
Particular reason you got two things? Private event. Doritos. Guess what, y'all? We finna join the Amtrak, baby. We finally made it, baby. We on it? You're in my spot. What's in there?